Hey bosses! In this video, we'll show you as a company owner how you can lock certain aspects of your booking pages so that your team members cannot change them. This will help to keep your brand the way you want it to look and feel, and give less for your team to do during the setup phases. Let's see how to do it. Here is your company's booking page. And here are your team members. Let's say you want all your team members to have the same cover photo. Same styling of text, fonts and color, as well as same footer design. You don't need to ask each of your team members to put it on their own. Instead, what you can do is hit the log box under each of these features from your company's account. From your company account, go to the page settings and click on Profile Details. Here is your company account details that are displayed on your website page. And here are the log boxes to log specific pieces of the information. If it's on, then all the pages will have the same information. In this case, links. By leaving it blank, you allow your team members to put their own information, like a personal Instagram instead of a company's. And same with favicons, images, banners, and text. Alright bosses, that's how the locking feature works.